Okay, so today working on this washer, LG washer. That's the issue with the washer today. And so the client already purchased the part, original drain pump. And then because it's not draining, we're going to install the part. It is going to be a little bit of a challenge because we have the dryer on top. But we'll deal with that and get the job done. Okay, workout in progress. Okay, yeah, so got that everything out here, and then yeah, definitely this pump looks weird, so it's definitely the problem. And so now we'll just do some cleaning here and we'll install the new one. Okay, everything is installed, back in place. Now I'm just already ran one test, but I'm just gonna run one more test just to make sure there is no any leaks underneath. It's very important to know. And so we'll just run it for a little bit, and if there is no water leaking, then we are all good to go. I already tested once, but I like to do like 2-3 tests just to be on the sure side and not take a risk with the leaks. So almost done here.